Yeah, so just quickly, I wanted to tell you from tomorrow onwards, we will have a demo also. We will have regular sessions. So I think demo last week I have just uh like I in the last week, right? I just discussed about the course curriculum. So in case anyone missed it, I can share the curriculum. But otherwise, I think I'm good with the demo. So if you have any question, you can ask. What I'm planning to do is tomorrow onwards, when you connect, we will start with the curriculum, and the timing will be same. I think we discussed initially few days. I mean, I think 8 a.m. For this week, or maybe sorry, 7:30. 7:30 we discussed, right? So 7:30 for this week, and next week onwards, if you are all are okay, then 8 or maybe 7:30. So the same time we can connect. So there is another batch which is running, and I think the old batch, I need 3 more days to complete their syllabus. Few topics are pending, and there's a conflict with timing, right? Their batch is also at 7:30. So for initial 3 days, it will be just 30 minutes, 7:30 to 8. But after this Thursday, we will have regular class like 7:30 to 8:30. Before any question, anybody who joined today newly, today is the first class.
Sasmitha, I have one question. Sudarshan here.
Yeah, Sudarshan.
So how it will be? I mean, for interview preparation, are you going to help us?
Interview preparation, what help means what you like. We have this curriculum, and then there is a CV preparation class where I will like mostly upload the previous batch recording where you will understand how to prepare your CV, and it's a hands-on course. A lot of projects we will
Mhm.
do. And interview questions, if you want, I can share, which you can really understand everything once the curriculum is covered, right? So all the interview questions will be very easy for you. So the
Okay.
question list I will share. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, if you have any doubts, so can we come back after the course, or how is
After the
all?
course, basically, it's like you have just 1 hour class. So I will encourage every day once you have any question, right? You can ask me in the next class or in the same class also. I'll give you time. It's a complete interactive course. So you will understand about it when you join tomorrow, right? We will have our first class tomorrow. So you will see how the classes are. It is very much interactive. So once I have covered one topic, I'll wait for some time, and once everybody understood, then only I'll move to the next topic. Also, you have recorded sessions available. So during the course, you can ask me doubts, but I will strongly encourage whatever topics are currently going on. You try to cover that, right? Let's say it's just 1 hour class, right? I mean, if you spend another 30 minutes to 1 hour from your side, you will able to complete everything. And I think next day you can ask me questions. All the doubts will be cleared, right?
Okay, because I may not be able to attend all classes because my shift is from morning 6:30 to 3:30. So I mostly I will go through the recorded sessions only. So that day only I will get the recorded sessions evening, right?
Not evening, in 2 hours you will get the recorded session, and keep
Okay.
all your doubts, and maybe in one session where whenever you are available you can join and ask your question, right?
Mhm. Also, I mean, this program is like once we get the job, we are able to perform our daily work. I mean, project works, we are able to do it ourselves, right?
Yeah, it's a complete end-to-end course, and it will help you not only cracking interviews, you will be able to handle any data science project, right, related to structure, semi-structured data end to end. So entire life cycle will be covered: data collection, model building, validation, and deployment.
Okay. One more, two more questions. I have seen one more course from your same organization that is from Vamshi. That is full stack data science. What is the difference between your course and that course?
The same, I think you can check the curriculum. Mostly in my course, I cover the deployment part. Like we have this ops part also included, right? Which is what the industry is nowadays asking. So
Okay,
where
MLOPS.
deployed, yes. So it's not like because we have GPTs and all different tools. So coding, nobody, I mean, it's super fast, right? You just ask
Yeah.
what you want and you'll get the code. So
Okay.
people the organization is expecting full stack. Full stack means what? End to end you will do in your organization, right? So starting with data collection till model deployment. So the deployment part like ML flow is included, GCP complete tutorial is included, right? Google Cloud
Okay.
Platform. And I
Okay.
have generative AI also along with this, which is
Okay.
very much trending. And Gen AI is something which you can check any data science interview. You will see they're asking for Gen AI courses, right? So,
Okay.
so it the kind of you can name it full stack also, but it's a package basically. So everything what the industry is looking for. So you do one thing, you go to Naukri, you go to any LinkedIn jobs, right? And download data science jobs and see
Okay.
what they're looking for. You will see they're looking for cloud, AWS, GCP or Azure. They're looking for Gen AI, like LLMs. They're looking for data science. They're also looking for deployment, everything. So you can say this is an AI engineer kind of course. So it's not only data science, it's engineering plus data science together,
Okay.
right? Yeah.
Yeah. One more thing, last question. You said the course after the course of completion of course, you will have a one year of access to the recorded sessions. But DurgaSoft told that only 6 months we will have access.
6 month maybe because of space, but you can ping me. I'll give you access.
Okay, okay. We will have a connection with you, right? I mean, contact of you.
Yeah, we will have a WhatsApp group. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Others, do
Okay.
you have any doubt? So basically, let me quickly tell you. So I am not taking the demo session today because of a conflict. So we have previous batch which is not finished yet. So three classes are pending. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll take 3 days. We need to complete their curriculum. So
Also, please share the updated curriculum. You last 2 week you told that you will update it and you will share it.
I was out of station. So I told you, right? I will not be available. I just reached yesterday night. So today you will see the curriculum is updated. Almost everything is updated. The last part, Gen AI needs to be updated.
Can you
But till
please ping the link?
yeah, yeah. So I have shared. Let me share the link again, course curriculum link.
Yeah, sure.
In the meantime, if you have any doubt, you can ask. I'm just copying and sharing the link with everyone.
Yes. Hi, I do have a question.
Yeah, Carlos. Yeah, go ahead.
So, what is because for somebody who have not done these courses, and what is a prerequisite to attend these courses?
Correct. So I have already discussed in the last demo. So the thing is, can we connect tomorrow? I can give you time, maybe tomorrow 7:30 to 8. We can have a demo session tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. And from Thursday onwards, we can start the curriculum. Basically, this course, let me quickly summarize. The complete syllabus is there in the link that I have shared in the chat window. You can copy and look at the syllabus. The Gen AI part needs to be updated, and cloud deployment, it is not there, but I will update the curriculum that is on Google Cloud. So who can enroll for this course? Anyone who wants to see themselves as a AI engineer or MLOps, right? They can enroll. It's a full stack course. We will start with very basics like pandas, numpy, and Python, and we will reach to a stage where we can deploy our code on cloud platforms, right? Mostly the cloud platform is GCP, Google Cloud Platform, end to end. And along with that, you also have another curriculum called Generative AI. So together it is a 4 to 5 months course. This MLOps is 2.5 months and Gen AI is another 1.5 months. So what you will learn in this MLOps course, you will mostly be very expert at machine learning, every algorithm from starting with the maths to derivative implementation. We will have 6 to 7 hands-on project. End to end, we will cover, right? I will
I'm
cover.
very bad in maths actually. So is
I
it
will I will take care of that. So when I say yeah, so end to end means all like the theory as well as the implementation side. Math, I will take care. I'll make sure you understand the maths properly. And in the next course, that is the Gen AI course, you will learn deep learning in advance, and also you will learn to create chatbots like ChatGPT end to end from starting to kind of, but that's the next level course. First, you need to clear your fundamentals. I don't recommend anyone to follow GenAI blindly without knowing the fundamentals, right? So this course will help you to build model from scratch. You will train your model, you will validate and deploy. But the next course will basically help you to like deep learning plus pre-trained model you can use. So you can go through the syllabus. Let me share my syllabus. I think my window. This is what I have explained in the last demo session. So we will have 3 modules, module 1, module 2, module 3. And module 1, we have Python, Plotly, Power BI, statistics. Module 2, we have machine learning. I have my iPad where I will write everything, derive everything. It will be like a blackboard only. So complete theory plus every algorithm will have one implementation, followed by your last, that is the module 3, which is deployment part. In this case, I have taken GCP, and you will be master, especially the AI stack, right? Google Cloud Platform AI, complete AI services, whatever is available, like Vertex AI, and then AI Studio. So everything, whatever is there in Google Cloud Platform, you will be uh, very much expert in, right? So this is basically in the ops side, you will learn MLflow, you will learn Docker, you will learn GCP for the deployment. And in the module 2, you will learn complete machine learning. Also, you will learn a lot of other things like what is feature selection algorithms will look like, right? What is outlier, what is outlier detection and removal. So complete thing, you will please go through this. I think this is the curriculum. Take a look on it. You will see this is the complete curriculum we have till module 10, module 8 and module before generative AI, right? Rest all modules, sorry, before deep learning, rest all modules are part of MLOPS course, and from generative AI, it is a different course. And there are some things which I have to update, which I have not. I'll tell you which part. I think in this course, everything is updated except this model deployment part, right? Module 10. So as I said, model deployment, previously it was AWS, but now I have switched to GCP because of the trend, because in the AI race, Gemini is a multimodal and OpenAI. So, these are the famous tools, right? Most of the companies, if you see, it is either Gemini or it is OpenAI like GPT. So that's the reason Azure and Google, I am predicting this too, especially in the AI space, I'm telling, not cloud service overall. Overall cloud service, I think AWS is fantastic, but especially with respect to AI, if you ask me, I think Google is the favorite choice. And that's the reason I have switched to GCP and Azure. Both are very important, but we are going with GCP. That's the model deployment part. So till model 10 and this Apache Spark, if you want, you can take recordings. But till module 10, everything you can see from the syllabus. So it is up to date. It's not like only model deployment is missing. Rest all how it is, we will cover everything. So detail, you can get it from the link. Everything is very pretty explained, like clearly mentioned. And let me know if you have any doubt after looking at the curriculum, right?
Is it a PySpark or?
So you can see we have a lot of extra modules. Like I have added some modules from probability, because I have seen recent trend is they're asking some puzzles from the probability chapter. I have also included feature scaling and feature selection algorithm, not only machine learning, but feature selection plays a very important role. Backward selection, forward selection, one line, but it will take 2-3 days to explain, right? Everything is one algorithm. Again, we have this like outlet detection and removal algorithms. Then along with that, we have machine learning. Please go on mute. Machine learning algorithms like polynomial, and then we have classification algorithm, unsupervised clustering. So these all are like till model 7, everything is ML. Model 8 onwards, it is 8 is basically evaluation, but model 9 in 10 is about MLOps. So what you will learn in MLOps, you will learn a tool all in one called MLflow, which will help you in model tracking, registry, and packaging. And we will learn about Docker, so it will help you for Dockerization. So what is Docker? How to create your Docker file, how to build an image, what is Docker Hub, how to create your YML file. So everything we will discuss. And finally, we will have this deployment part. So this is the entire course. And from here, I think the GenAI course will start. In GenAI, you will learn from deep learning. So deep learning, ANN, RNN, LSTM, right? Sorry, CNN. Then we have this GAN networks. So maybe I'll take a separate demo to explain you about GenAI. You will learn about prompt engineering, LLM, lot of projects. I'm not talking the GenAI part here, but if you want, maybe we can have a separate demo for that. Any question in this?
Apache Spark also we are going.
No, Apache Spark is not covered because of two things, time and price. So if I include Apache Spark, again, it will be around, let's say 1 hour, 1 month course, 20 to 20, yes, 20 to 30 hours, 20 to 25 hours course. And that again, the price will increase. So if you want, you can do one thing. Anyway, once you understand pandas and machine learning, Spark has 4 libraries, out of which 2 libraries very easily you can understand once you take this MLOps. One is Spark ML library and one is Spark SQL. So Spark SQL is very similar to SQL, direct SQL queries you can write. And also if you know Pandas, data frame will be very easy for you. So Spark SQL and machine learning, after taking this machine learning class, easily you can understand the machine learning part, right? So I think Spark, you can take recordings from me. It will not be so much, but it is chargeable. It is not included in this course. The price I can let you know around 5 to 6, or I think something you can pay to me and you can take the recorded sessions. But there will be no live class for Spark, right? And you can ask me doubts if you have any doubt. If you want, I can give you the recordings. Currently, I'm taking a batch, which is latest, right? Spark latest version, and it is up to date, Databricks and all. And I think the recordings will be available end of this month. Right now, I'm taking the batch. So it will get over by 30th of this month. So that batch recording, I can give it to you, starting from very scratch till all the 4 streaming and everything I'm going to cover. Kafka is also there in the recording. If you want, you can take it from me, but it will not be covered. Except module 11, rest all is there in the syllabus, right? Rest all will be covered. And I think module Spark also, whatever I have not written, that also is there, because Kafka I cannot see here. Kafka, yes, there is there, but Kafka recordings are also there. Kafka is a good topic. And the Spark machine learning library, everything, whatever is there, everything you can see the recorded sessions are available. So it is optional because big data analytics, I think the course will become 6 months if I include Spark. But again, depends on the audience. If you want, it's optional. If you want, you can take it. If you don't want, you can skip it. Right?
Ma'am, what's the duration of the course?
So this MLOps is 2.5 months. GenAI is 1.5 months. If you're taking both as a package, it is around 4 months. But yeah, individually 1 by 1 also you can take. So MLOps, the current course which we are talking now, is 2.5 months. Okay. I think we are all good. Again, let me, like when you connect tomorrow, we will discuss. And could you share the curriculum I have shared? So please copy the link I have shared, the link. Please check in the chat window. I have shared the link.
Please share again, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. 1 second. I have shared. Let me copy again. I will upload the curriculum also once your drive is created. You will get your drive. So this is how the classes will be. This is just an example. So you will have your class recordings, folders. Inside every folder, you will see the respective materials, whatever has been used, right? So everything is, you can actually go through the recordings after the class also, right? Okay. And I think many of you already joined my last demo session, but if you don't, this is your first class. I think it's very important to, nowadays everyone is an instructor. So you just check their profile who is teaching you. Everyone started teaching, like they themselves are freshers, like 1 year, 0 year experience. and they have started teaching. So you check my profile, and not mine, but any course you take, especially the real-time oriented course, like let's say cloud computing or data engineering, data science, should check the profile, because people who are not in industry, I think why I'm telling this, the industry, especially for data, is evolving so fast. A person who is not working cannot up to date themselves with the pace, right? We are struggling after working like 8 or 10 years, we are struggling to update ourselves. But think about the people who are not there in the industry. They really don't know what is the trend going on, what is the interview pattern. So they themselves have never gone through any interview process. They themselves has never worked in industry. They themselves has not seen others cracking interviews. How they will help you to crack your interviews, right? So it's very important to check the profile when you are especially joining data engineering, data science, cloud computing related courses. It is completely hands-on course. People who are not doing everyday cloud computing, people who are not doing data engineering and data and AI related projects every day, they cannot they cannot guide you properly. That's the only thing. They might be knowledgeable, they might be very much talented, but uh, they might not be telling you what is trending right now, right? And the trend very fastly it is changing. For example, if you see the interview pattern before 2022, it was different, but now after 2022, when all of these GPTs and everything is coming, the complete expectation from industry, what they are looking from you, is different, and it will be different. Let's say something else is coming. Let's say some new innovation. Let's say AGI is let's say coming in next 2-3 years. Then you will see another different pattern. The roles are different. The MLOPS, ML engineer, AI engineer, lot of roles are trending. Every role has a different expectation. So this is a very much fast paced domain. Every 4-5 months you will see new tools are coming. Previous tools are getting outdated. So people who are in the industry, they can only guide you, right, properly. So don't fall for when you're taking AI course or when you're taking this kind of course. Your goal is to change your domain. Don't fall for that money trap, 5,000, 10,000 trap, because I think I will tell you, because I am an instructor in Simply Learn. I have been in different organization. So it's never, never cheaper, right? If it is something like 200, 5,000, 10,000, it will be mostly self-learning. You will, because I'm taking class in Simply Learn, we have 60 people in a batch. And what I can tell you is it is always a price versus quality trade-off, right? You need to select. If you're paying less, you will get less quality content. Even though they will advertise 100 hours, 200 hours, it is useless content, to not to the point, and it is not really going to help you. Again, you have to spend extra amount. And if you're going with the quality content, it will pay, you have to pay the price. So that is how is the industry uh like really works. And here I think it's a perfect balance between what you pay and what you're getting, quality versus content, right? But again, so why I'm telling, because freshers, mostly professional, they know, but people who have not gone to industry, mostly students, right, third year, fourth year, final year, they fall in this trap of less price courses, 2,000, 5,000. I will recommend why you are even paying 5,000, 2,000, right? There are free courses in Udemy, 400 rupees. In YouTube, there are free courses. Free of cost, you can learn the same thing. If you are not getting a chance to interact with the instructor, I think better to go with self-learning courses. You go with Coursera or other platforms, quality content you will get instead of joining those courses. If you're joining a course, why you are joining, right? You need to talk to a person who can answer your real-time questions, right? And that is why the reason is like we are focusing on 15, and 15 to 20 will be the strength, and it is very much interactive course. And we give a lot of time for your doubt clearing, right? And not in the class, but let's say you have some doubt, let's say previous class, then also you can ask me. And if you have any separate, like let's say many people have some question on a particular topic, then we can I can arrange a separate class on weekends where we can discuss your doubts. So basically it's a complete and getting an instructor who can teach you Gen AI plus this all-in-one is also very difficult. So you decide what you want and accordingly you can join. You can join other institutes demo also. You see the curriculum. Because what I'm saying is, if you're taking AI course, take it seriously. This is the new domain, and you have seen a lot of layoffs are happening because of AI automation. I believe it is not a optional course or specialization course, which it used to be in 2-3 years before. Now it is a mandatory course, right? If you don't know AI, if you don't know, even if you're not using, even if you are not using today, you might use in next 2 to 3 years. AI is transforming every domain, every sector, every company is investing. This is the hot area, right? It seems like maybe you are a software engineer, but just to upgrade your knowledge, you should know what is AI. Even if you're not using in your organization, still you should know it, because if you know AI, it will broad your thinking process, right? It will help you how the current job, whatever you are doing can be automated using AI. At least the idea generation part, at least when you join the meetings, you will understand what they're talking about, right? So it's mostly a developer course. It will help you end to end, complete knowledge you will get, right? Okay, so much of talking. But again, as I said, I have a conflict. Other batch is kind of I need to take. I have, yeah. So I have shared the curriculum with everyone. Go on mute. I have shared the curriculum with everyone. Please take a look on the curriculum and let us connect tomorrow. If you have any doubts, I will not talk much tomorrow. I will just answer your queries. Tomorrow will be the last demo session, and after that we will start with the curriculum from day after tomorrow onwards, right? And you can also join 2 or 3 classes, see how the content is, how the quality of delivery. And if you have any doubts, you can ask, see how the pace is. If you're okay with everything, see the curriculum, check the curriculum with other institutes, join other institutes demo, check the price, compare. And if you feel really it is worth it, please enroll end of this week, right? Okay, I think I'm good. Apache batch time is at okay. So the Apache batch I'm taking offline. I'm a visiting faculty here in one of the universities. I'm taking MTech final year big data analytics course, right? So it's unfortunately it's not a online class, but the recorded, I'm recording the sessions. I can forward you those recordings. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Let us connect tomorrow.
Timings will change like 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Let us connect this week at 7:30. Next week onwards, we can move it.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.